Hi everyone, welcome to our lifestyle presentation. Today we are going to explore three important topics. Body mass index or BMI, stress management and the weight strategies.
BMI or body mass index is a simple tool to measure if a person has a healthy body, weight or their height. It is calculated using the formula BMI, weight divided by height squared.
Example, if someone has a weight of 60 kilograms and height of 1.65 meters, BMI 60 plus 1.65 times 1.65 plus 22.0.
A score of 18.5 to 24.9 is normal weight, so 22.04 means this person has a healthy BMI.
Maintaining a healthy BMI is important because it lowers the risk of disease if the body is strong and even help mental health by boosting self-confidence.
Our stress scenario is exam pressure. When we are stressed, we often experience both physical and emotional side. Physical, we may feel headaches, fast heartbeat, or sweaty hands. Emotionally, we may feel anxious, irritated, or overwhelmed.
To manage stress in healthy ways, there are three strategies. 1. Breathing exercises to calm the body. 2. Time blocking or scheduling to organize tasks. 3. Good sleep hygiene to recharge energy.
These techniques help us handle stress without harming ourselves. Next, step C will show us coping strategies. There are two types of coping strategies. Positive and adaptive coping includes healthy action like exercising, journaling, or asking for help. Negative or maladaptive coping includes harmful actions like smoking, drinking alcohol, or avoiding responsibilities.
Positive exercise, talking to friends, deep breathing. Negative, overbreathing, drinking alcohol, concentrations.
C. Student looks stressed before an exam. Student, I'm so nervous, I can't focus.
Friend, try this. Let's do deep breathing together. Inhale, exhale.
Wow, I feel calmer. Now, thank you.
This shows how positive strategy like deep breathing can reduce stress and improve focus.
Today we learned that BMI helps us understand healthy weight.
Stress management techniques guides us staying balanced, and positive coping strategies give us clear ways
to handle problems. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you for watching.